How to log in into Bank of Cyprus account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Bank of Cyprus account. For this, you want to open any web browser, then search for Bank of Cyprus. Then you want to tap on this website, which is bankofcyprus.com. Now, if you want to change the language, tap on the translate option. Then the page will be translated into English. Now you want to tap on this lock icon. That is going to take you to this login portal. Here, you want to enter your user ID. Once you have entered your user ID, go ahead and enter your passcode. If you want these details to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me. Now, you want to tap on the Login option. If all of your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your user ID or passcode, tap on this link that says Forgot User ID/passcode. Once you tap on this link, you will have to enter your mobile number. Then a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. You can use that in order to retrieve your username or reset your passcode. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.